Hello, welcome to the Eagle Success Off video. I've got testing this Mk18 gas blowback. So obviously lovely guns these. So this one, we stripped off this front rail and we fit the Tightbore Laylax barrel, the Laylax hop arm, which obviously goes a little bit deeper than the normal arm does, and we fit the Nineball hop rubber, and we've tested it at range, like I say, shooting out to about 65 meters, which is good. We've obviously tested and set it up for 3.2, so that's what we'd recommend. Obviously if you want to use less, you're going to have to wind off the hop. We just want to demonstrate it here working to the end of a mag correctly after we've done the work. And there we go, to the end of the mag, and it's all shooting good. So hopefully everything's correct. Obviously we're the ones who've had the fun and games taking that rail off. Obviously it should be a lot easier. I've put it on there with Loctite, so hopefully you shouldn't get any problems where it comes off. Obviously that's the benefit of TM doing it. They certainly make sure it doesn't come off while playing. But hopefully it'll be easier if you was ever to have to take it apart and do it yourself now, if you know what I mean, because I've just put sort of a normal, blue Loctite on there. It's just, it needs a gentle bit of heat in it, and you should be able to get back in there if you want to. So but otherwise we're here for any technical help you need. But hopefully apologies for the delay on the getting the barrels in stock. We had to get them from Japan, so it took a little while. But we got them here, and we're all done, and hopefully everything's all good for you. Thank you.